and under here, and then up to the under the air brake. That's where the wire trough is. So now, what I gotta do is I gotta flip the airplane over. All this is gonna fall out.
Yeah, it'll be alright. It should hold in most of the way.
Okay.
It might hang a little bit. This will fall, but that's no big deal.
All right. Let's just be prepared just in case something falls out.
Just the wires.
Okay, that's fine.
The other should be held in by tension. Alright.
Let me strap this battery together just because we're going to flip it over again.
The detail on this thing's pretty good too. Look.
Yeah,
all the rivets. Can't really see the foam.
Yeah, that's always fun.
Pretty good. So then there's a hatch in there.
Yeah, and I've already broken it, so.
Okay.
Oh, it's like, it's a piece of plastic and it actually breaks, but the way I broke it, it's actually good because it comes out, but then putting it back in,
it bends
back.
Perfect. Okay.
Alright, so now.
So you can unplug it and we'll have to leave the brake down.
Yeah, or open.
Open, okay.
And then, where's that go get them
So we'll see.
there?
Okay.
Back down through there. And then,
Flip it.
yeah, this is going to be open, so.
Just, let's see. Well, as long as one of us hold it, so just flip it over.
Yeah, well, you can just hold it up like that. I just have to pull the wires through.
Got it.
Where's the wire? Okay. Here's the go get 'em wire.
Yeah, no need to flip.
Oops. Wait, hold on.
Here you go now. There you go.
I'll take it.
You catching on something?
Sorry. Okay. So we'll do. Hey, Grandma. Ray's here.
Hi, Ray.
Hey, Devil. How you doing?
I saw a little truck out there, and I said, maybe that's Ray's
No,
truck.
believe it or not, I have a car. I'm driving the car full of planes. That's me.
It's a cute plane, huh?
Beautiful.
Alright, you want to lift it up and get those wires from the top of
Okay,
there?
go ahead. Hold on.
It feels like they're catching on something in there. Are they fully tight?
Go.
Oh, they're fully tight. Okay.
Yeah, most of the way.
So then I just need to put some. I need to actually use the extensions.
Okay, so good thing we made them. We'll grab them.
It's a lot easier than I thought it was going to be, which is a good thing.
Has the dog stand up for that?
I took them out at 10, but don't bring them out right now.
I'm not going to bring them up. I forgot.
Hopefully I didn't script the video too much.
Nah, it doesn't matter. We're doing it as we do it. Don't worry about it. We're just doing it as we do.
Alright, there's one. Good thing we made these. We need them.
Perfect. So now they reach. All right, good.
And I always have a bunch of JST extensions, so.
Okay.
I won't need more, but if I did, I have plenty. All the lights I put on planes use JST connectors, so I have a bunch of JST extension leads. Alright, cool. Then put this wire thing back in, put the air brake down,
Okay.
we'll flip it over and we'll button up everything under.
Cool. There you go.
Yep. You wanna grab my radio?
confusing. I know, I'm just going to plug it in so it won't be flopping. It won't be in the way. That there. That there. Close the canopy.
Where's that lead?
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright.
Alright, let's flip this guy back over.
It's cool how they put the rings on there. I've never seen that kind. Okay.
Alright, so let's just button this all back up.
Oh, everything's already tight? Okay. So I'll hand you the screws.
6.
There's one.
It's gonna take a long time to upload this video, huh?
Nah, it's alright. Must be done. There it is. I'd like to do a couple more of these too, but I figured I'd do it on this one since I'd never actually done it with this one.
You've sent customers, you've sent people these.
Well, people have them, but just I haven't actually done it yet.
Yep.
Done it myself.
So, when are you gonna make the burners for the people that you gave away burners to?
I'm doing that today.
On Air Marshal
So
YouTube.
then Michael Rajka and then Dave's RC will get theirs.
Oh, yeah, that's right, Dave's RC one of them.
And then you have the channel set up yet, or no?
Yeah,
Okay.
I have it just on aux 2.
Perfect.
This is a 10-channel receiver, so I've got plenty to choose from.
Cool.
Glad they put a BEC in this plane.
I'm surprised that they did. I didn't know they did.
It's an 8 amp. So
Perfect. Probably a little light. It should have been a 10.
That's alright. It's only 70 mil fans.
Yeah, with all the servos and retracts and lights.
True. Alright.
Well, there are no flaps, so maybe not.
No, there is no flaps.
Okay, so maybe not.
Alright, you want to ditch the pillows for me, please?
Sure. Do that.
I want to put the airplane down and put it on its wheels.
Okay, so
You know, go get the burners plugged in. Thank you.
oh, so there's a lot of room in here.
Oh yeah, there's a ton of them.
Okay.
I'm just gonna strap down the battery just so we don't have to worry about it. Straps are really tight in this. I can't actually adjust them, but for the 6,000 pack that I plan to fly this with, they're actually like it's a perfect spot. So
Okay.
it's not gonna really matter.
Yeah, 6,000 is perfect.
Yeah. Alright. Where's up?
And that lead's long. Sheesh. Okay.
Yeah.
Plug that in first. You need to put that in aux 2.
Yeah.
Is this?
Yeah, it's here. Alright. We'll put the plane on its wheels.
Gear down.
You can see the lights on the nose wheel. They're not blinding.
Just enough, and at night those get really bright,
Yeah.
but not enough to blind you.
They're just the smaller lights. They're the same ones that are on the Eflite F4 nose wheel.
Yep.
Alright.
Throttle cut.
There they are.
That's it.
I'll set up a delay on it too, but there they are.
Okay, so they're on right now.
Yeah. So then it goes with the
Okay,
idle.
there you go. So you can adjust that on the channel.
Yeah.
On aux 2.
Yep.
So let's just go through the functions of this so that we can see it. So go ahead and go to half. So when you have the spare channel, this is what it's going to do when it's all the way off. And then as you advance the throttle,
Goes
it
on
goes
dim.
dim and then gets brighter when it goes to full.
Yeah.
So let's turn the plane around so you can see it from the back.
Yeah. I'll button all these windows up.
Okay. But everybody asks, the light's flashing, what does that mean? Or the light's full on, what does that mean? So right now the light's full on because he hasn't set it to since it's on the spare channel.
I did, but
But if it's on a Y cable, that's what it's going to look like.
I just have to adjust the endpoints of the channel.
Okay. Let's see what they look like now.
Hard
Yeah, that
drives.
looks good. I'll look away. Ooh, that's really bright.
Jesus.
That's too bright. I gotta squint.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
That's it.
Fiery booty.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
Didn't take all that long.
Thank you, Ray.
So it's probably going to be a 2-part video, but that's what it looks like. Pretty easy. And they're all straight. Might have to do a little wire touch up in there, but that's no big deal. That is it. Thanks for watching. And thanks to Nate for letting me do it.
Mm-hmm.